Stock market analysis. This is about number 8. So let's look at what happened today in the market, and let's look at where some of these question marks are. Again, I'm not allowed to share the platform. I only have 5 stocks here. $228.38 is the cost, and this is the amount that the person has. Here's what happened today. We went on a pretty reputable website, and on the next slide I'll tell you the link, and we picked up 15 shares of this stock, because even though it's a penny stock, and if you remember from some of the last videos, we were advised to stay away from penny stocks. But look at this. Already within 30 minutes, we have a gain of 6 cents total, but that is only because they were purchased at the ask price. And the reason you got that share is because within the time we bought them, this was what we bid, and this is the current ask. So it's just 1 cent. So would you think 15 cents? But it went up 6 cents instead because you bid right at that point of asking. So now we have a worth of $56.55. So again, how are you asking? How did that happen when very easily $3.77 times 15 shares is going to give you 50? That comes out to exactly $56.55. So how are you up 23 cents? Because you went up from this price, 0.1. So then what's your next question? Why is it that it's only showing you a $3.45 gain? Because that's the only thing it can guarantee you. Because the market closes today at about 5. So it can only guarantee you that much over the day of a gain for right now. So that's what you have right now. This is the part that they're saying you'll win even if the close pretty much goes down. But right now it's up. And remember, even though they guarantee it, honey, you're with the Securities Exchange Commission, allows them to not promise or guarantee you anything. You don't have anything in writing. But that's kind of standard what they do, and kind of standard what all these companies that are selling this stock expect. And so they say they're going to guarantee you, because they're hoping that if they guarantee a certain level, that you will be able to invest in them and you will use their platform too. But here's the deal. You don't get the full amount in the guarantee. Times 15 would give you like a little bit of 90 cents. They're going on ahead and saying $3.45. They're not going to guarantee you, a full $9. They're going to guarantee you like a little over a third. So you're actually pretty lucky here, or we are actually pretty lucky that people did this. This is a question mark. How if you have 20 shares over here on this stock and they went up here at $1.32, went up 4 cents, do you still have this loss? Well, this loss is over a period of time. That's why it's in red. It's a negative, because this stock has been held at plus 12 months. So what happens is when you see those up and down gains, you'll see on a up and down, you'll see like a curve, and you'll see when you're looking at some of the stock market analysis websites, you'll see that they will say this, but this is over 12 months. You had lows here. I think it hit like 99 cents at one time, sometime last year. So you lost there. And then it stayed even, and then it went up maybe to like $1.02. And so you have to add all those losses. It's kind of like if you were betting and you lost $5 one time, and then you lost another $5 another time. You don't just owe $5. You now have lost 10. So you're negative 10. And then if you lose like $1, you're negative 11 total. So, but you may not have to like pay it back till next year. So you have total losses over there. And they call that a total loss. So those get carried until they get washed away. And no matter what happens, they don't get washed away until pretty much they're just gone. Okay, over here, I cannot say the trade. I haven't gotten permission from the companies, but this here is a block cryptocurrency. And once again, this is over a period of time. And so this is today's loss. Everybody says all the cryptocurrencies are going to sell. Nothing is ever all, not even all the health, not all the this, not all the this. This is a communication corp. So we're doing well. This has been held over a year, so over a period of time, but it's just 2 cents. It's 2 cents times 3 shares, not so bad. By the way, these D's mean that a dividend is going to be paid, and a dividend is going to be paid, and you have to hope that the dividend somehow offsets the loss. We won't know that until it's paid. Usually quarterly dividends are paid towards the end of the month. Okay, so now, but here's something going on here that is very interesting. We have 60 shares here. They went up 8 cents. This is the bid, and this was the ask. And so there was $1.32 gain. Well, big deal. Who cares about that? This is a total gain. This is the daily gain. So here's the situation. If you have a daily gain up here of $4.32, remember now, you might be able to do what? To get 120 of these, and then your daily gain would go up to what? $4.80 times 2. So you would have a daily gain of $9.60. So it wouldn't be so bad. And then if you went up to another 480, so about 20 more shares, you'd be at $14.40 of a daily gain. Problem is if you ever start losing again, at one time this stock lost. This is an international company, and again, I can't tell you who. Anyway, that's pretty much it. We wanted to look at these question marks to say how can you get a gain and have an overall loss, which we went through. Thank God it's only one share here. Okay, 4 shares here. So we're offset, but you have 12 here and you've had a 34-cent loss. So look at what's going on. So you want something in your portfolio that is going to offset all these losses. And if you look at something, there's a trend. The more shares you have, the more you can't offset the loss. And here's the funny thing. You know how people always say people remember the negative more? The negative hurts more. Look at this. It's $11. Look at this. It's $44. And look here, 20 shares, 26. And this is 5 shares, but because the price is higher, it's a $125.81 loss. So you have to be careful what you do and when you're taking losses. And I know most of you have heard that. This is 60 shares, but because it's sold so low, look at this. The positivity is almost not shown. And this is all you have. But it's less of a loss. So you have to ask yourself, is it worth it? Anyway, that's the daily tidbit on a portfolio analysis. Have a good day. By the way, here's the website listed for this, and it did come off USA Today. Okay, this website nor this video do not guarantee or warrant any promises of increases in stock shares or in market performance for individuals. Should you have any questions, please contact the email address at the bottom of this webpage, because we have financial advisors. We also have contacts who are securities licensed in the United States if you would like to talk to someone. If not, It's fine to use your own. We were just showing what happens to our portfolio here. We had some people who say they were a little bit shy about the stock market. So we did something to show how, we take losses too, we take gains to help people understand what's really going on. Thanks for watching.